we go. Oh. Woo. Yeah. Look at this one. Holy smokes. PowerTeamLures, man. I can't get it off. Ah, he's sawing my fingers off. Oh man. Whew. Beautiful fish. Look at that mouth. Thanks, man.
That looks pretty thick. Pretty fat.
Pretty much.
Right?
I think he might be a 30 something.
You think so?
Close to, yeah, maybe 30 and a half. Let's see. Quick selfie.
Want to pick? I can pick.
Okay, thanks, man. Put him. Go for it. All right. Fish on. Direct bait. All right. A little dinky, but I think he's like 7 inches. First one right here, look, double up. Oh, it's gone. Oh well.
This dude's feeding. Like,
This side, yeah.
yes, he has red lips.
That's awesome. Red lips, huh? Yeah, let's just spray.
What are you throwing now?
Huh?
What are you throwing now?
JP hammer shad, and it was drop shot. PowerTeamLures.
How do you do these? Do you do the blood or big unis?
Give me a second. I do a double uni. Here you guys go. Small little bass on this right here. JP hammer shad. Oh, here we go. One hand fishing. Oh no, came off. Should not be on my phone. Oh, yes, yes, good one. Yes, oh. I need to get in here. How can I get in here? Oh, it's fast, I'm falling. I am gonna fall in. Yes! Oh. Oh. Yeah, baby!
There you go. I mean, you did a workout to get it, but you got it.
Yeah. Holy smokes.
What do you hit?
A PTL PowerTeam lure. The paddletail swim bait. It's awesome. Holy smokes. Look at that. Need a photo of this one.
I just seen you fall it.
I know.
Oh my God.
Sweet. Thank you. Oh man. Let's do a quick selfie too. All right, guys. I was getting close. I was walking to the edge. And yeah. See that hole right there? My leg was right in that hole right there.
The things you do for fish, dude.
Whew.